Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'll be testing the KÄRCHER OC3. It's a portable bike cleaner. It has a 4-liter water tank. The battery lasts around 15 minutes. And I also have a 10-liter can as reserve. So today was the day I was planning to go out and clean my bike, make it dirty. But as you guys can see, it's going to be a clean ride. Look at the snow. This is in Zurich, on the mountain Uetliberg. The tires are just shining. It's going to be cleaner than before. I think it's going to be a happy day today.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So as you guys saw, the track was muddy like F, and now I'm pissed off. So the first step I did to clean the bike, I went through a creek, 5 to 6 rounds, so the tires got clean. Now I'm preparing the KÄRCHER to clean the bike. Always fill the water at home, keep it in the car, and then I have my reserve can for extra water supply. It's quite lightweight, and the sound, it's not loud at all. The pressure of the water is around 5 bars. You can hear it in the video. I'm recording with an iPhone 13 mini. One fill takes around 3 to 4 minutes. I edited the video so you don't have to watch the full water flow. So this is how I refill the water tank. The 10-liter tank is quite heavy and stressful on the back, and to pour it exactly into the KÄRCHER, it takes a bit of skill, but you'll get used to it. And the best part is cleaning is really fun with this thing. I'm also cleaning the tires, the brakes, the discs, the suspension. These are the places where you really need to clean, otherwise dirt will gather up and the bike will have problems, and the suspension may not work properly. So now I'm flipping around the bike. I'm on a really big parking spot in Zurich. It's one of the only spaces parking that's free in Zurich. So, and at this time of the day there is nobody. On the weekend you cannot go there because it's just packed. So under the bike there's a lot of mud and dirt, and this just cleans incredibly well, and the battery lasts for a long time. I think around 15 to 20 minutes is more than you will ever need. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning now. Time to put the bike back in the car, change myself, and head back home. I have to go work now. I will show you a quick video of the bike from the near position to see if it's really clean, so you guys can judge. I hope this is the end, and hope to see you the next time. Bye bye guys.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So going home is gonna be delayed. Somebody decided to have a shit on my car. Let's see if the pressure of this KÄRCHER is enough to clean some bird shit. First I used the water, then I used my finger just to rub it. It was not so dried in. So it does the job. KÄRCHER is strong. It's a really good product. So guys, here's my bike. Now it's finished. Just emptying the last bits of water in my KÄRCHER tank, so I don't have to pick it back home. Cleaning is really fun. Look at the tire, the suspension. Just shining. The bike looks even better than before when I brought it to ride. So I'm really happy with the KÄRCHER. It's a recommendation. And I thank you guys for joining me. Have a nice day. Stay healthy. Bye bye.